Hi there. Welcome to Aether. In this session we will learn important formulas of Excel. Let's see some practical approaches of Excel. We have created the software in Excel to demonstrate Excel formulae and functions. There are many formulae and functions in Excel, we can't explore each. We will see some of the functions and formulae as example. You can get this handbook from our website by purchasing it. Let's check out some formulae. Let's begin with age calculation formula. Click on it. You can see there is a description about this formula. This formula works on real time. I will show you. I will change the date here and you will see years, months and days are changing accordingly. If you notice on formula bar on top, you can see the formula, and also in the adjacent cell the formula is written in blue. You can also calculate age in decimals. At the below you can see there is a formula that calculates age in decimals. Now let's get back and see some other formula. Now let's call average formula. You all are familiar with average term. This formula will calculate the average of given integer value range. It does not take character or blank value. You can see it while I change value of one cell, the change is reflected into the average cell. Now let's get back to formula list again. Now we will see count function in Excel. Count function is used to count the number of values. It does not count blank and error value. You can see it in the example. If I add a value into blank cell, it will count it. You can see the change. Now moving back and see another function. Now let's see fact function. This function is used to find the factorial of any number. I am sure you all are aware how to find factorial of any number. Factorial of any number is the product of every positive natural number less than equal to the number. As you can see it in the description. Now let's get back and see LCM function of Excel. You all know what LCM is. It is lowest common multiple. You can see the formula. LCM is built-in function in Excel. You need to provide only data to it. It will calculate the LCM by its own. As you can see in the example. Now moving back again. We will see show formula function. This function is used to find out every formula that is used in spreadsheet. You have to use two keys, Control key and single quote key on the top of Tab key on the keyboard. You have to press it all together and you can see the result. Here you can see all the formula used in the spreadsheet. Excel is very interesting and useful if you use it. It has everything to manipulate, analyze, and format data. Now moving back again and see another function. Next function we are going to see is sum. Sum function is used to calculate arithmetic addition of the values given in the range of cells. As you can see it in the example. There are a lot more functions and formulae in Excel. We cannot demonstrate all. So stay connected for more on Excel. For more information, contact us at info@aetherinfotech.com or WhatsApp at given number.